Hello and happy holidays, my friends. Ellen here. I welcome all you back to my southern kitchen. Hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. Today's recipe, I'm going to share with all of you the perfect appetizer that'll be great for your holiday get-togethers and parties. We're going to make cranberry meatballs. And my friends, these are so simple and easy to make. TheBomb.com delicious. And we're going to smother them in the flavorful cranberry sauce. And the best part about this recipe, we're going to cook it in the crock pot. Everybody's going to fall in love with these meatballs. These will be out in seconds, so you probably want to make a second batch. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my Christmas tree recipes playlist and my previous video, orange chocolate chip cookies. I'll post a link to both of those down below in the description box. So grab your crock pot, your meatballs, and your cranberry sauce sugar, because we're about to make some cranberry meatballs magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, the first step we're going to do is make the sauce. In my bowl, I have one 14-ounce can of the jellied cranberry sauce, and we're going to put it in the microwave for about 45 seconds until it's melted. Alright, my friends, our cranberry sauce is melted. Now ready to put the sauce together. I have a 1 12-ounce bottle of chili sauce. And we're going to add in the cranberry sauce. Light brown sugar. A freshly squeezed orange juice. And the zest of a small orange. And we're going to give everything a quick stir until they're well incorporated. Alright, my friends, and just that quickly, our sauce is complete. See how simple and easy it was? And over here in my crock pot, I have a 2-pound bag of meatballs. I'm using the original, or you can use turkey. And I lined it with some slow cooking liners for easy cleanup. And all we do is pour this amazing sauce over our meatballs. Like so. Gonna give it a quick stir. Alrighty, my friends. All we do now is just cover the crock pot. Cut it to low. Meatballs cook low and slow for 4 hours. The meatballs are ready. Let's take a look. Oh, yes, baby. Look at that sauce. My mouth's watering. Now I'm about to put them in the bowl, and then we'll give it a taste. All right, my friends, there you have it. Cranberry meatballs. Don't they look good? And I garnish it with some fresh parsley on top. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Have a bite. OMG. That sauce is to die for. It's sweet and savory. You can taste the cranberry and the orange, and the meatballs nice and tender. Oh, spectacular, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. Yum-o. Cranberry meatball-licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Facebook or Instagram. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love. Stay safe. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.